If you want to know how you can connect your car using CarPlay on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General Settings, you will find the option of CarPlay. Just tap on it. Now there are two options to connect your car with your iPhone. You have the wired option and the wireless option. Let's check the wireless option first. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just go to the Connection section and make sure you turn on Bluetooth. After you enable Bluetooth, then for the next step, if your car supports wireless CarPlay, then just press and hold the voice control button on the steering wheel of your car. Then the signal of your car will appear on the screen of your iPhone. Just tap on the signal of your car and you will be able to connect your iPhone with your car. Now this process might differ a little bit from one car to another, so make sure you check the user manual of your car for the exact process. But let's say if your car does not support wireless CarPlay, then you can check the wired option. For that, just use the charging cable of your iPhone and connect one end of your charging cable to your iPhone and connect the other end of your charging cable to your car. And once you do that, an option will appear on the screen of your car asking you if you want to connect your iPhone with your car. Just select yes, confirm, or connect to connect your iPhone with your car. And this is how you can connect your car with CarPlay on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.